Mwancho murigaria oyuno murikito Pethuel machini kurwa senseme bunge ya South Mugirango tutigata sengana yichisemi Esukuru Yabamura ya Nyakongo igotoka ase ward ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira iko barigania humo igabugo chengera chisemi hamwe na Koenana Ebiegwa guchia ABAOROKIGWA bari abanyatika bagokora buya samatemu aba manene umwako eta eyoko basegeta na koba omoyo bagendere ne chisemi chabo ase chinga kichiro bosio bari abanyorete amachibu ye grade kia A nigo bono bae wachi laptop abanyorete amachibu ye grade kia A- nigo bae wachi bag chinene ase bono omoyo goyo onyara koba guikiranwa na ABAIBORI na boigo eamate na ABAOROKIA abono baburiwe kugendera kubeka omokia hasekera bagochia gosomera usasekeri bagochia gosomera nario barache koba bagoikirania chindoto chabo chobogima bori bosio.
This is one of the most important events in our school calendar because it provides us with an opportunity to celebrate excellence, recognize hard work, appreciate sacrifice, and renew our commitment to providing quality education for every learner that is entrusted to us. We celebrate achievement. You've had the results. We have almost 90 A- and above. That is achievement. We also want to celebrate discipline and the spirit of excellence. In 2025, we registered 525 and we are taking 524. Again, from where I sit, I would call that 100%. Give a clap to this big institution.
Every prize today that we are seeing here represents commitment, sacrifice, and perseverance. And behind every student who is receiving an award today, that student chose hard work. There is a teacher who guided patiently and a parent who made sacrifices. And above all, a God who gives the strength. That if you stop here, because we are applauding you, you will never experience the beauty of the summit. The summit can be your next degree. I've heard many are going to the university. Many had A's. The summit can be your next degree. The summit can be your employment. The summit can be your career. If you stop there and you say, I have reached at the peak, you will not see the beauty of the summit.